Yes, ma. Now we are going to start some one practical list question, ma. This is in your practical list, ma. I think it may be last question in this unit. P 1 comma 3 comma 2, P 1 comma 3 comma 2 is a point on the conicoid, is a point on the conicoid, is a point on the conicoid x square minus 2y square plus 3z square plus 5 equal to 0, x square minus 2y square plus 3z square plus 5 equal to 0. Find the locus of, find the locus of, find the locus of the midpoint, the midpoint, the midpoint, the midpoints of chords, of chords drawn parallel to OP, drawn parallel to OP means OP line, drawn parallel to OP line. This is your question, ma. P132 is a point on the conicoid. Find the locus of the midpoints of the chord drawn which is parallel to OP line, ma. Right? Here, first of all, I want to take a given conicoid, ma. Write it in the basic form and define what is A, B, C, all those things, ma. Given conicoid is yes, it is x square minus 2y square plus 3z square is equal to minus 5. I taken this 5 to other side. Here we need to make 1, ma. For that divide throughout expression with minus 5, ma. Then this should be what? Minus 1 by 5 into x plus, sorry, x square plus 2 by 5 into y square plus minus 3 by 5 into z square is equal to 1. Just we are dividing with minus 1 by 5 on both sides, no? This is in the form of, which is in the form of which is in the form of, yes, this is in the form of ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1, where what is a here, ma? Minus 1 by 5, b is 2 by 5, c is minus 3 by 5, ma. Right? After getting this, ma, your next work is take your given point, ma, and define direction ratios of line OP, ma. Right? Take your given point P, ma. Given point is P 1 comma 3 comma 2, ma. Now you can go through the line OP. O means origin, ma. P is this point, ma. Origin to this point form a line and define direction ratios of it, ma. OP line direction ratios means what, ma? O point is 0 comma 0 comma 0. P point is what here, ma? 1 comma 3 comma 2. Now let us join these 2 points by means of a straight line. Then write OP line direction ratios. x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0, z2 minus z1, 2 minus 0. That means 1 comma 3 comma 2 are what, ma? Direction ratios of line OP. That directly I am writing here, ma. Direction ratios of line OP are, yes, it is what, ma? x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0 is 1, y2 minus y1, 3 minus 0 is 3, z2 minus z1, 2 minus 0 is 2, ma. These are direction ratios of line OP, ma. Right? After getting this, ma, your next work is, let us take some point alpha, beta, gamma is midpoint of this chords, ma. Midpoint of the chord, ma. Right? Let this point alpha, beta, gamma. Let I am denoting with capital A ma, alpha, beta, gamma be midpoint of chord, be midpoint of chord ma. Whenever it is midpoint of chord ma, then you know it is parallel to OP na, there exists parallel condition between all these things ma. What is that parallel condition ma? AL alpha plus BM beta plus CN gamma is equal to 0, because there exists parallel condition ma. There exists parallel condition between all the results ma, this and this, all those things ma. So that A into L alpha plus B into M beta C into N gamma. Here L means what ma? Clearly I am writing where L equal to 1, M equal to 3, N equal to 2. These are direction ratios na. Direction ratios we are taking as L, M, N ma. And this is alpha, beta, gamma ma, right? There exists parallel condition between them. Use that condition ma. I mean substitute above results here ma. This implies A is what here? Minus 1 by 5 into L is what ma? 1 into alpha plus B is what ma? 2 by 5 into M is what ma? Sorry, B is what here ma? My big fault ma. B is, sorry, here L, M, N na, I written wrong. B is what here ma? 2 by 5 into M is what here? 3 into beta plus C minus 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into N 2 into gamma is equal to 0, right? Now simplify this ma, take 5 common in the denominator, take on to other side, then this should be what ma? Minus alpha plus 6 beta minus 6 gamma is equal to 0. Now let us go through locus of it ma. We need locus of this point A na. Let us define locus of point A, means replace alpha with x, beta with y, gamma with z ma. The locus of point A is, what is that ma? Minus x plus 6y minus 6z equal to 0. Otherwise you can write it as x minus 6y plus 6z is equal to 0. This completes your practical list question. Yes, now let us see one problem. If the line of intersection of two perpendicular tangent planes, two perpendicular tangent planes to the ellipsoid, whose equation referred to rectangular axis is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1, passes through fixed point, passes through fixed point 0, 0, k, show that it is lies on the cone it is lies on the cone b square plus c square minus k square, b square plus c square minus k square into x square plus c square plus a square minus k square into y square plus a square plus b square into z minus k whole square is equal to 0. I mean this last one is your answer ma. Your final result should be this one, b square plus c square minus k square into x square plus c square plus a square minus k square into y square plus a square plus b square into z minus k whole square is equal to 0. This is k square ma, right? Yes, once look your question ma. If the line of intersection of two perpendicular tangent planes to the ellipsoid whose axis referred to this passes through 0, 0 k ma, show that it is lies on this cone ma. That means our first work is take your given conicoid ma, define a plane which can passes through this point ma. After that they are giving that plane is tangent plane to the conicoid ma. Use tangent plane condition, you get some relation ma. After that define a line which can passes through this point ma, right? That work we are doing ma. This is one special problem ma. It is a different problem. See ma. Step by step I will proceed. First take your given conicoid ma. Given conicoid is, yes, it is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Keep aside ma. In the next step I want to define a plane which can passes through this point ma. The equation of a plane passing through the point zero zero k is, it is L into x minus 0 plus m into y minus 0 plus n into z minus k is equal to 0. Understood or not? The equation of a plane passing through one point, if this is x1, y1, z1, then a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Here internally we got a, b, c values. That's why for difference purpose we taken what ma? L, M, N. Here L, M, N basically what ma? Direction cosines of the plane or direction cosines of the normal to the plane ma, right? Yes, this is about your plane ma. But first of all I want to write this in the proper form ma. It is what? Lx plus my plus nz, Lx plus my plus nz minus nk I am taking on to other side, it is nk, right? But in the statement what they given ma? This plane equation 1, let it be this is number 1 ma and this is 2. Now in the statement they are giving that this plane is tangent plane to your given conicoid ma. Then what we have ma? P square is equal to, P is equal to root of a square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square according to theorem number 2 ma. I am proceeding that condition here. Given that above plane is tangent plane to the given conicoid, means this conicoid number 1, given conicoid, so that what we have ma? Directly I am writing ma, nk whole square equal to p square. Instead of taking p equal to root of something ma, p square I am taking ma. P square equal to what ma? A square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square. This is the formula, you know ma. Since p square is equal to, otherwise p is equal to root of a square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square. This implies p square should be what ma? A square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square. but here p is what ma, nk, because this is of the form lx plus ny plus nz equal to p, then p should be nk ma, that's why we taken nk ma. Any problem is there ma? In the next step ma, take all the terms to one side, write down separately L square coefficient, M square coefficient and N square coefficient. I mean this implies A square L square plus B square M square plus C square minus K square into N square is equal to 0. Now let us consider this is equation number 3 ma. After getting this, what is your next work ma? Define a line which can passes through this point ma. The equation of a line, steps concentrate ma, it is different problem, one by one concentrate ma. The equation of a line passing through the point 0, 0, k and having direction ratios some alpha, beta, gamma. Here I taken variably alpha, beta, gamma because already LEMN internally we used in some other situation ma. Instead of LEMN I taken what ma? Alpha, beta, gamma. This is basically not given in the statement. At end stages we have to eliminate it ma, right? But here in previous all situations we taken direction ratios of a line or L comma M comma N, but here we taken what ma? Alpha, beta, gamma. Reason is already we taken L, M, N for some other situation ma. That's why we taken like this ma. Is that equation of the line is x minus 0 by alpha, x minus 0 by alpha is equal to y minus 0 by beta is equal to z minus k by gamma. X minus 0 by alpha equal to y minus 0 by beta equal to z minus 0 by gamma. Now let us consider this is equation number 4 ma, right? After getting this ma, your next work is, we know that this line lies on equation number 2. This is actually lies on where ma? This plane ma. Let us take that lying condition ma. We know that above line lies on plane equation 2. That implies what do you have? L alpha plus M beta plus N gamma equal to 0, because whenever this line can lies on this plane ma, there exists parallel condition between line and plane. Parallel condition between line and plane is what ma? In the lines I defined ma. L alpha means A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma equal to 0. It is L alpha plus M beta plus N gamma equal to 0. That I am writing ma. L alpha plus M beta plus N gamma is equal to 0, right? After getting this ma, let us find the value of L here ma. Anything L or M or N. For my convenience I am going to define L value ma. L is equal to what ma? Minus of M beta plus N gamma whole by alpha. This is your L ma. Now substitute that L in equation number 3 ma. Substitute that L in equation number 3 ma. If you want you can take this one as 5. Substitute equation 5 in equation 3. We get, that means let us substitute, replace this L with what? This. It is A square into this, actually L whole square na, this L square means minus gets cancelled ma. It is M beta plus N gamma by alpha whole square plus B square M square plus C square minus K square into N square is equal to 0. Here I want to take this alpha square common ma, otherwise multiply with alpha square on both sides ma, and then write M square coefficient separately, Mn coefficient separately and N square coefficient separately ma. I am writing this one as like this ma. M square coefficient means what ma? This and this. This proceed A plus B whole square. This proceed as A plus B whole square ma. A square term gives what ma? A m square beta square. It is a square beta square plus b square a square beta square plus b square alpha square, because we are multiplying with alpha square, na? Alpha square into m square. Any problem with this, ma? M square coefficient, directly I am writing a plus b whole square expansion do and remove this also. Here you have you get alpha square, here also alpha square, ma. Here a plus b whole square means a square term gives what, ma? M square beta square, ma, into a square. M square gets cancelled. A square beta square plus b square, because m square we taken common, plus mn term, right, ma? Here 2ab term gives what, ma? Mn term or not, ma? That means 2 into a into beta gamma, a into beta gamma mn, beta gamma mn. Any problem is there? 2ab term, 2 into a into b, mn into beta gamma into a square, not m, it is a square, sorry, I am not concentrating here, a square, ma. A square into beta gamma into 2, ma, plus next write, ma, n square coefficient. N square coefficient means what, ma? Here b square term, ma. A square gamma square, a square gamma square, a square gamma square. Next what, ma? Here this is n square, c square minus k square into alpha square plus c square minus k square into alpha square, c square minus k square into alpha square whole into here it is not looking, na? Okay, I will write in below step, ma. Here I will write plus same term I am writing, ma, a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square whole into n square is equal to 0. Any problem is there, ma? I will rub this, ma, because already I wrote in the below step. This is your relation, ma, right? In the next step, ma, I want to divide throughout expression with n square, ma. Let us divide throughout expression with n square, ma. Then you can get one relation in terms of m by n, ma. Just I will verify once, ma. 2 a square beta gamma, a square beta square plus b square alpha square, right? Now divide with m square on both sides, ma. Dividing with n square on both sides, we get, dividing with n square on both sides, we get, this is what, ma? A square beta square plus b square alpha square into m by n whole square, because we are dividing with n square, na, plus 2a square beta gamma 2a square beta gamma into m by n plus this result, ma, a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square is equal to 0. Any doubt here, ma? Just we written above equation in terms of m by n as quadratic equation, ma. For that divide throughout expression with what, ma? N square, ma. Next I want simplification work, ma. But remember this result, ma. This result, remember, somewhere we need, ma, L is equal to this result, ma, equation 5. I will remove these lines, ma. This is very big relation, ma, big solution, ma. That's why board is not sufficient to proceed the work, ma. One step by step I will remove the lines, ma. Yes. Now once concentrate that last step, ma. Basically your last relation is a quadratic equation in terms of m by n, ma. So that there exist two roots in terms of m by n. Those two roots we are taking as m1 by n1 is one root and m2 by n2 is other root, ma, where L1 m1 n1 and L2 m2 n2 are direction ratios of two lines, ma. I am doing that work here, ma, right? Let m1 by n1 and m2 by n2 are two roots of above equation, means this equation, ma. Above equation where L1 m1 n1 and L2 m2 n2 are direction ratios of two perpendicular lines, ma. Here the given perpendicular condition, na, two perpendicular lines, ma, right? These two perpendicular lines direction ratios we taken as L1 m1 n1 and L2 m2 n2, ma. So that m1 by n1 and m2 by n2 becomes what, ma? Roots of this equation, ma. Two roots of this equation, ma. Now now let us use product of two roots condition, ma. Product of two roots means what, ma? m1 by n1 into m2 by n2 is equal to c by a. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Product of two roots condition is what, ma? C by a, ma. I am doing that, ma. It is c means what, ma? A square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square by a is what here, ma? A square beta square plus b square alpha square, ma. A square beta square plus b square alpha square, ma, right? Okay, just I am doing simplification. Take this total numerator to this side and this denominator take on to other side, ma. Then this you can write as what, ma? m1 m2 by a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square is equal to n1 n2 by a square beta square plus b square alpha square, ma. Similarly, we can define this, ma. L1 L2 by something is equal to m1 m2 by a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square. But what is this L1 L2 by something result, ma? That L1 L2 by something result is this, ma. b square gamma square plus c square minus k square into beta square. This you have to remember directly, right, ma? But how you got this result I will explain. But in the examination no need to do that work, ma. Directly remember this word and write down similarly, ma. Here we take an L value, na. Instead of L value, let us define here N value, ma. N equal to minus of L alpha plus M beta by gamma. Substitute that result in equation number 3, ma. You get one quadratic equation in terms of L by M, ma. Let us take L1 by M1 and L2 by M2 are two roots of equation, ma. So that by product of two roots condition on simplification you get this, ma. Simply you can remember like this, ma. L1 L2 by, here A is there, na, here B. This is already you know this condition. This you can write as it is, ma. Here A is there, na, instead of A write down B, ma. Here instead of alpha write down beta. That's all. Remaining part same thing, ma. Very simple way you can remember, ma. Instead of L1 L2 by, instead of A write down B, instead of alpha write down beta. Interchange, ma, these two things. Here alpha beta, here A alpha, here what, ma? B beta. That's all. In that way you can remember directly, right? After getting this result, ma, just combine them. I want to remove all these lines, ma. This is not required, just I want to remove it, ma. It is, this implies L1 L2 by this beta gamma square plus c square minus k square into beta square is equal to m1 m2 by a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square is equal to n1 n2 by a square beta square plus b square alpha square, right? Just we combine those relations, right? If you want, you can take this is equal to some lambda, let us take this is equal to lambda. Otherwise directly you can write like this, L1 L2 equal to this, M1 M2 equal to this, N1 N2 equal to this. Because if you can write L1 L2 equal to lambda into this, M1 M2 equal to lambda into this, N1 N2 equal to lambda into this, at end stages you can remove lambda, na? For that cause, in the material directly I taken L1 L2 is denominator, M1 M2 is denominator, N1 N2 is denominator. Like that also you can proceed. Otherwise take lambda, and at end stages you can remove that lambda, at last stages you can remove that lambda, that is your wish, right? Now here also, like your material I want to write directly, I am not taking lambda because that is the extra elimination work, This implies L1 L2 is what, b square gamma square plus c square minus k square into beta square. M1 M2 is equal to what, a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square. N1 N2 is what, a square beta square plus b square alpha square, But you know, given lines are what, perpendicular to each other, then what we have, L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to what, 0. Just I am proceeding that, we know that above lines are perpendicular to each other. That implies whenever perpendicular, what is the perpendicular condition between direction ratios, L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2 equal to 0. Yes, L1 L2 is this, M1 M2 is this, N1 N2 is this, substitute, this implies L1 L2 b square gamma square plus c square minus k square into beta square plus M1 M2 a square gamma square plus c square minus k square into alpha square plus N1 N2 a square beta square plus b square plus alpha square is equal to 0. Any problem is there, b square alpha square, right? In the next step, write down alpha square coefficient separately, beta square coefficient separately, gamma square coefficient separately. This implies, first I am going to define alpha square coefficient. This is alpha square coefficient. What is that? B square. This is alpha square plus c square minus k square into alpha square plus beta square coefficient, right? This is beta square coefficient. A square plus this is beta square, c square plus k square into beta square plus gamma square coefficient, right? B square gamma square, a square plus b square, these two gamma square terms, a square plus b square into gamma square is equal to 0. All the terms we got. Once look, let this is relation number. In the continuation I don't know, I am taking equation number 7 or big expression 1 for my convenience, because here no equation is available. Once concentrate, your equation number 4, I think equation number 4 once observe, what is that equation number 4, in the middle somewhere we got x minus 0 into alpha is equal to y minus 0 into beta is equal to z minus k into gamma. This is equation number 4, I think 4 or 5, I don't know, already we removed. Now by using these two things, let us eliminate alpha, beta, gamma, because alpha, beta, gamma are what, our taken notations, nowhere in the statement. That's why at end stages you have to eliminate. How can you eliminate? Substitute alpha equal to x, because x minus 0 is x, beta is y, gamma is what, z minus gamma is equal to what, z minus k, I think here it is. In equation 4, I don't know, z minus k is 0, 0 k point, z minus k by gamma. Gamma is what, z minus k. Substitute here like that, you can eliminate alpha, beta, gamma. Eliminating alpha beta gamma using equations. I don't know whether it is 4 or not. I am thinking it is 4 ma. I am taking this ma, this equation 4 and big expression 1. We get, yes, eliminate like this ma, b square plus c square minus k square into alpha you must replace with what ma, x, means it is what, x square plus a square plus c square minus k square into beta square, beta is what ma, y square plus a square plus b square into gamma square, gamma is what ma, z minus k na, it is z minus k whole square is equal to 0. Like this we can eliminate alpha beta gamma by using this last equation and in the middle this line, the equation of the line passing through 0 0 k point ma. By using them you can eliminate alpha beta gamma, then you get your required result. Is it your required result or not ma? Same result we got ma. This is about one of the important question. Yes, another very important problem ma. This is also important problem. Prove that the enveloping cylinder of the ellipsoid, prove that the enveloping cylinder of the ellipsoid, prove that the enveloping cylinder of the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, whose generators are parallel to the line, whose generators are parallel to the line, x by 0 is equal to y by root of a square minus b square is equal to z by c, meets the plane z equal to 0 in a circle. That means answer is your circle ma. Last answer is you must get circle equation, that is the question ma. Prove that the enveloping cylinder of the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, whose generators are parallel to the line, x by 0 equal to y by root a square minus b square equal to z by c, meets the plane at z equal to 0 in a circle. Your answer is circle ma. Here ma, first I want to define generator equation ma, that means line equation ma, generator line ma. There 0, this root a square minus b square c are direction ratios ma. In the beginning stages generator direction ratios I will take as L comma M comma N ma, but at end stages I will substitute L is 0, M is this root a square minus b square and N is c ma. Understood or not? If you can take in the beginning stages these things ma, it is little bit inconvenience in the solution ma. That's why first I will take L M N ma, but at end stages I will substitute L equal to 0, M equal to this, N equal to c ma, because in the statement what they given ma, generators of this are parallel to what ma, 0, root a square minus b square and c ma, right? But before that, first of all let us take your conicoid and define a line ma. I mean conicoid, and on that conicoid I will take a point P ma, which is some x1, y1, z1 ma. First take your given conicoid ma. Given conicoid is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. In the next step on that conicoid take a point P ma. Let P x1, y1, z1 be a point on the conicoid or above conicoid, right? Now I am going to define generator equation ma. The equation of the line passing through this point P and having direction ratios L, M, N, but basically L is what ma? 0, M is this and N is C ma. At end stages I will substitute, already I told ma. The equation of the line means generator ma. The equation of the line passing through point P. P is what ma? X1, Y1, Z1 and having direction ratios L, M, N is means that line equation is X minus X1 by L is equal to Y minus Y1 by M is equal to Z minus Z1 by N ma. Let it be this is some lambda to define a general point on this line ma, right? In the next step, define general point on above line ma. General point on above line is I am denoting with capital A ma. It is what? X equal to x1 plus lambda L, y equal to y1 plus lambda M, z equal to z1 plus lambda M. Again here I want to take your diagram ma. This is actually our given enveloping cylinder ma. Enveloping cylinder you know. This is your ellipsoid ma, this one. This is our enveloping cylinder. First I taken P point here ma. X1, Y1, Z1. Right? After that we define this line equation ma. Generator means this line equation, that is this ma. I am defining a general point on that line ma. General point means anywhere on this line, but I want to take that line at here ma. Point of contact ma. Right? Whenever this is here ma, it should be on the given conicoid or not ma. Substitute this A point in the given conicoid ma. Right? Let capital A is a point on the ellipsoid, conicoid or ellipsoid, one and the same ma. On the ellipsoid, I written here conicoid, no problem. It is what ma? X square by A square plus Y square by B square plus Z square by C square is equal to 1. That implies, yes, substitute ma, x1 plus lambda L whole square by A square plus y1 plus lambda M whole square by B square plus z1 plus lambda N whole square by C square is equal to 1. I mean minus 1 equal to 0, for our convenience we written ma, right? After getting this ma, what is your next work ma? Let us write it as a quadratic equation in terms of lambda. Means first write down lambda square coefficient, then lambda coefficient, 2ab term in this a plus b whole square expansion and free from lambda term, right ma? This process you know. First I am going to write lambda square term ma. In a plus b whole square ma, b square gives lambda square or not ma? B square means what ma? L square by a square, L square by a square plus m square by b square plus n square by c square plus n square by c square gives lambda square coefficient or not ma? Plus in this a plus b whole square expansion, 2ab term gives what ma? Lambda term. There take 2 common and lambda also I am writing outside ma. 2ab means what ma? x1 L x1 by a square, L x1 by a square plus m y1 by b square, m y1 by b square plus n z1 by c square into lambda. This is lambda coefficient. Next write down free from lambda term. What is that free from lambda term? A square term in this a plus b whole square expansion, x1 square by a square plus y1 square by b square plus z1 square by c square minus 1 is equal to 0, right? This is your relation ma. Now for my convenience I am taking this is relation number 1, somewhere we are going to use this is number 2. Okay. okay na. But once look ma, is it this line is touches or tangent line to this ellipsoid or not ma? Whenever this line can touches your ellipsoid ma, roots of this equation becomes what ma? Equal, hence its discriminant becomes 0. I want to take that condition here ma. These type of steps already in so many situations we used ma. We know that line equation 1 means simply I am writing it as line 1 now. Line 1 touches given conicoid or ellipsoid, given ellipsoid, so that roots of above equation are equal, roots of above equation are equal, hence its discriminant becomes 0. Hence its discriminant becomes 0. Right? Yes, you can now discriminant means what ma? B square minus 4AC equal to 0. Just use that condition. B square means what ma? 4 into Lx1 by A square plus My1 by B square plus Nz1 by C square whole square minus 4AC. 4A is what ma? L square by A square plus M square by B square plus N square by C square into C is what ma? X1 square by A square plus Y1 square by B square plus Z1 square by C square minus 1 is equal to 0. B square minus 4AC equal to 0, since B square minus 4AC, capital letters I am using ma, is equal to 0. Any problem is there ma? Here you can cancel 4 ma, 4 cancel chesesayandi ma, right? After that take this total negative term to other side, then first write locus of P ma. All those steps I am doing here ma. The locus of point P, the locus of point P is, yes, what is that ma? Lx by A square plus My by B square plus Nz by C square whole square is equal to, this take on to other side ma, L square by A square plus M square by B square plus N square by C square into, this is what ma? X square by A square plus Y square by B square plus Z square by C square minus 1 ma, right? This is your locus of point P ma. But after getting this ma, in the question what they given ma? In this relation, whenever you can substitute Z equal to 0, you must get circle ma. I mean here substitute Z equal to 0 ma. Given that Z is equal to 0, this implies this is 0 means what ma? Lx by A square plus My by B square, Lx by A square plus My by B square whole square is equal to L square by A square plus M square by B square plus N square by C square. Up to here no problem. Here Z is 0 means what ma? It is X square by A square plus Y square by B square minus 1. Any problem with this ma, right? After getting this ma, here let us use your LMN results ma. Actually what is LMN ma? L is I mean here ma, L is 0 in the statement they given, M is root A square minus B square, N is what ma? C. Substitute in this ma, that we are doing in the next step ma. For that I want to remove these above lines because these lines are not required in further stages ma. All these lines I want to remove ma. Just little bit mathematical work we have to do here ma. Yes. Now take your given results ma. Given that L is what ma? L equal to 0, this 0 ma. M is what ma? Root a square minus b square. N is what ma? C. Substitute in this ma. This implies, here I will write ma. L means what ma? 0. So that this becomes 0. L is 0. M is what ma? This na? Root a square minus b square into y by b square whole square is equal to, let us go for here ma. L is 0, that's why this is 0 ma. M is what ma? Root a square minus b square by b square whole square plus n is what ma? C. It is c square by c square. That is up to here ma. Next write this as it is ma, into x square by a square plus y square by b square plus minus 1, sorry. Yes, let us do further simplification of this ma. I mean, you can write here it is, this root gets cancelled, a square minus b square into y square by b square is equal to, here ma, a square minus b square by b square plus 1 into x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1, right? Next here ma, this is a square by b square is what ma? A square by b square minus b square by b square is what ma? 1 into y square is equal to, here also a square by b square minus b square by b square plus 1 into x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 1. Yes, here I think b square once gets cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. Here it is what ma? A square by b square only, right? Okay, just to simplify this ma. Here a square by b square into y square minus y square, a square by b square into y square minus y square is equal to this into this ma. This into this is what ma? A square by b square, I mean a square by b square into a square into x square. Any problem? A square by b square into x square by a square no. A square by, I will write clearly ma, better. A square by b square into x square by a square. This is one result, right? Plus a square by b square into y square by b square minus a square by b square minus a square by b square. Any problem with this ma? Here I think two terms gets cancelled ma. Here I mean a square by b square into y square by b square na. Yes, these two things gets cancelled ma. Right? These two things you can cancel. It is, yes, here once observe ma. Actually here it is, this whole square by b square whole square is b power 4 na. Here we written b square, this is actually b power 4, remaining thing is okay. So that here what ma? A square by b power 4, a square by b power 4, now b square by b power 4, a square by b power 4, b square by b power 4, here one b square will get ma. I mean here it is, this term will changes ma. Once look ma, a square, I mean a square by b power 4, this implies a square by b power 4 into y square. Next this is 1 by b square na, minus y square by b square or 1 by b square is equal to, next just here instead of here I written b square ma, make it b power 4 because b square whole square is what ma? B power 4. Now this work is same ma. Now here these two things gets cancelled. Here a square by b square, it is 0 ma. This into this is what ma? This thing ma. Here one a square gets cancelled ma, right? And this a square by b power 4, these two things you can cancel ma, because a square into y square by b square into b square is b power 4 ma. Then what is the remaining result here ma? This implies your remaining result is minus y square by b square is equal to x square by b square minus a square by b square ma. In the next step ma, take this total negative term to this side, this negative term take on to left side ma. I mean this I am going to write as x square by b square, this take on to this side ma, plus y square by b square is equal to this take on to left side ma, a square by b square. Okay na? Here b square take common and cancel with this ma, then what we get ma? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Is it your equation of circle or not ma? Which is a circle having center at origin ma, and radius is a ma, right? Which is a circle. This completes your total one of the very important problem.